We're going to go ahead today and record a lead in the lead center. The lead center is for people who are taking down information from callers, maybe a sales assistant, a receptionist, and want to go ahead, record a lead and pass it to a sales manager or a salesperson. Somebody from Wiley & Sons is on the phone. They're calling from this particular site. I'm going to go ahead and click on the site. All I need to do is select Go, and I can record this lead. Just to point out, existing leads are also here. If you click on this tab, you'll see any existing leads for this particular client. You can go ahead and open those leads and take a look at what's been happening on those as well. We see that we've got our customer information here on the left-hand side, and I do want to record who's calling on the phone with me. The person is Tom Peterson. He happens to exist in the database, so I just select that information and then click OK to continue. On the next screen, what we're going to do is click through a few things. Lead origin, how did this come to me? It's coming through as an incoming call. The lead source, which is the marketing effort. In this case, it's a current customer. And then, of course, the market. And in this case, it's a law firm. So we're going to pick law firm. The type of sale, in this case, is just parts and smarts. He's calling because he wants to buy a few extra parts from us. And he'd like to make sure that he gets that in on the Monday, the 30th. So we're going to just add here a job title. I'm just going to say he needs extra parts. I could also record information with any of the qualifying questionnaires. So different questionnaires can be set up by your company, and questions can be answered, and then those answers passed along with the lead. In this case, just because it's extra parts, we don't have to record any information. I do want to make a note, though, that says please call Monday morning and meet Monday afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and record just a couple products and services. He said he's interested in some badging and some locks. And finally set an appointment for Monday. So we're going to select the salesperson. In this case, we know it's Jack Shepard. And we're doing an auto sync right now with Jack's schedule so that we know that on Monday we've got availability for him, and we can go ahead and record that particular appointment, let's say Monday the 30th at 1 p.m. We're going to just go ahead and set this appointment. It says again, call before arriving. We're setting it for Jack, and it is a meeting with the customer. So we're just setting a task type. When I save that, we automatically know that he's got this appointment for this particular client, and I'm ready to pass the lead. I click on Pass Lead. We see that it's ready for Jack. I click on Pass. The lead is now being summarized, so I can take a look at it before okaying it. I can see that everything looks good. Click OK. The system is now recording the lead officially and also sending Jack an email with the lead summary so that he can go ahead and give the customer a call right away, and also a link to get right into WeOppportunity so he can continue to manage the lead. That's how easy it is to record and pass leads to salespeople in WeOppportunity.